Learn Yoruba with Lala. So I'm Nigerian. I'm Yoruba, obviously, and I speak English, Yoruba, Italian, and I can read and write French, although I'm not as great. I used to be able to speak it, but kind of lost it now because I haven't used it in so many years. So I have two toddlers because my husband is Italian. We wanted them to be able to speak English, Yoruba, and Italian. We had so many resources to teach English, so many resources to teach Italian. If you were going on YouTube, you were finding something that was kid-friendly, colorful, happy, that would actually engage them, but there was nothing in Yoruba. Majority of the things on YouTube are songs, and sometimes even as an adult, I used to find it very overstimulating. So I started Learn Yoruba with Lala to kind of help them learn Yoruba in a way that's not overstimulating, and to actually be able to teach Yoruba in a slower pace. So because when you speak Yoruba, it kind of is very quick. So the point was to teach the Yoruba to children in a slower pace and not overly stimulating, so there's not a lot of noise, not a lot of text, and so much things happening at the same time. The goal is to introduce them to Yoruba at the early stages as babies and as toddlers, because then as they grow older, you can increase the challenge on how to speak Yoruba. And also for parents that are Nigerian Yorubas, that they actually do not speak Yoruba themselves, it's a way for them to learn alongside with their children in a way that is not intimidating. I know many parents will be able to relate with me because when you're in England, everybody's speaking English, you go to school English, and if you have other languages at home, you're probably very busy as well. And sometimes you can tend to be afraid that they might not understand you. But the point is to start early. So for parents that are like in the same situation as me, who have partners that are not Yoruba, it would also be very helpful for you to learn Yoruba alongside with your babies and toddlers, and to also introduce your babies and toddlers to Yoruba very early. Please join me on the journey to help more babies and toddlers learn Yoruba early. Thank you. Bye.